So, hello everybody, this is Mamta. Welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. From the past 2 days, I have been not uploading videos. There was some solid reasons. First reason is some technical problems there were. So that's why I could not upload videos and I could not record even. But that doesn't mean that I stopped practicing English. I did not stop. I did not stop practicing this American accent. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing for the day 3 I am going to do, that is we are going to practice here tongue twister. Okay, and that tongue twister is dedicated to learn flap T. Let me read it here. Betty Potter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my butter bitter. I did it nice. Okay. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put it in my butter, it will make my butter bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put it in my butter, it will make my butter bitter. Correct. Yeah. So let's do it again. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put this butter in my batter, it will make my butter bitter. This tongue twister is especially dedicated to learning flap T. Alright, Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put it if I put this butter if I put this butter in my butter, if I put this butter in my batter, it will make my butter bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put this butter in my batter, it will make my butter bitter. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put this butter in my batter, it will make my butter bitter. I think we are done with this exercise. You think that let me first watch this video, then after that I will practice it. It doesn't happen, okay? Again, next time you do not watch it. So at this moment, right now, sit properly. Do not lie on your pad. Just sit here properly and then practice it here. No matter like you are practicing it nicely, 100% correct, doesn't matter. Like put your efforts just. Okay, and whatever you're watching, just follow it right away. Okay, so the last time I want to try this tongue twister and I am loving this one. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put this butter in my batter, it will make my butter bitter. So here is our next exercise. In this exercise, we are going to practice 20 words in American accent. Water is water, water. Zebra, it's zebra, zebra. What do you do in your leisure time? What do you do in your leisure time? Leisure time. Tomato, it's tomato, tomato. Herb, it's herb. Pasta, it's pasta, pasta. T sound is th, pasta. It's not pasta, it's pasta. Adult, it's adult, adult. Garage, it's garage, garage. Schedule, it's schedule, schedule. February, it's February, February. Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's not vitamin, it's vitamin, vitamin. Root, it's route. Vase, it's vase, vase. Ant, it's ant, ant. Now again the word like we have been pronouncing for so long, the wrong pronunciation. That is not chocolate. It's not divided in 3 words like chocolate. It's chocolate, chocolate. Missile is missile, missile. Dance, it's not dance, it's dance, dance. Privacy, it's privacy, privacy. And the last one is neither. Neither is the British pronunciation which we have been pronouncing, and then neither is American pronunciation. So here these are the 20 words which I have completed the pronunciation in American accent. Okay, you have to make sentences from these pronunciation and these words, and this is the right way to remember any vocabulary or any pronunciation. I have been following this technique for remembering vocabularies, and now at the same time I'm going to follow this technique for pronunciation. Water. So first of all, when I wake up in the morning, my full focus is on drinking at least 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water, 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 1 liter of water. And while taking water, I just think about a vitamin that how I can take a vitamin and my food throughout the day. And you know what? Recently, I learned this word zebra. I was so shocked to see this pronunciation zebra, zebra, because growing up, like in my childhood academics, I always learned like zebra, zebra. Now I feel that how we are like how wrong we are pronouncing the words. You know what? In February month, February, you know what? In February month, I made this schedule for myself for learning American pronunciation, but somehow I could not focus on that because I do not have a lot of leisure time. I just try to do everything by managing time. What else like I can do? Like I just have to wake up early in the morning. That's how like I can maintain time for these things, for learning things, and for the things which helps me to grow. Next word. Okay, here I can neither I like neither neither I like pasta nor tomato. Well, honestly speaking, I like it, but just for making sentence here, I'm saying that neither I like pasta or tomato. Well, I appreciate chocolate the most. Well, my periods are also around the corner, so I feel that chocolate, I have to arrange it. Yeah, because without chocolate, I cannot survive that period of time. All right, guys. So here you see what I don't know, like what I was just speaking, but I just wanted to collect these words in my sentences. So, and I wanted to show you that this is the way like I practice. Okay. So most of the words like I have collected from this. So now we are going to practice shadowing, and for this shadowing practice, I have chosen this scene from Friends.
I got fired. Oh. Yeah, they said I acted too much with it. I told everybody about this. Now everyone's gonna go to the theater expecting to see me, and
Joe, you know what? No one is going to be able to tell.
my mom will.
So here, with this scene, first what I did, first I wrote all the dialogues like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the dialogues which I practiced. Okay, and first I wrote all the dialogues here in my note. Okay, and what I did, I analyzed it first to see that what are the words these native speakers are giving pressure a lot. Just like, you know, the first sentence is I got fired. So I got fired. Fired, on this word there is a pressure. Okay, I got fired. See, they said I acted. Acted पे इतना pressure लगाया गया है, like they said I acted too much with it. Then like ऐसे जा रहा है graph, and then it's coming like with it. They said I acted too much with it. This way. Okay.
I told everybody about this.
I told everybody about this. I told everybody about it. I told everybody about this. So that's what I have written. And यहाँ पे pressure है everybody. I told everybody about this. I told everybody about this. The next sentence is very fast.
Everyone's gonna go to the theater expecting to see me.
Now, okay, slow में पढ़ के बताती हूँ पहले मैं. Now everyone is going to go to the theater expecting to see me. This is the one. So now everyone is we pronounce is, but we just have to pronounce here as. Everyone is s, everyone is okay. Now everyone is, now जो यहाँ पे है ना going to, we don't have to say going to, we have to say gonna. Okay, that reduction which I already taught you in our first class, I think so. Yeah. So now everyone is gonna, now everyone is gonna, now everyone is gonna to the theater expecting to see me. Now everyone is gonna to the theater, yeah. Now everyone is gonna to the theater expecting to see me. Well, this scene was just under 10 seconds, but still it took me 20 to 25 minutes to shadow it perfectly. Okay, so in your case, if it is taking time, do not get motivated. It happens. You have to repeat the dialogues, rhythms, intonation, everything. Everything is totally about this. And everyone in the theater is going to see me. So you know what? No one is gonna be able to tell. My mom will.
I
I
got
got
fired.
fired.
Yeah, they said I
They
acted
acted
too
too
much.
much, brother. I
I
told
told everybody
everybody
about
about
this.
this.
Now
Now
everyone's gonna
everyone
go
is
to the
gonna
theater
to theater
expecting to
expecting to
see
see
me,
me.
and
Joe, you know what?
No
No
one
one is
is
gonna
going to
be
be
able
able
to
to
tell.
tell.
My
my
mom
mom.
will. Now the most interesting activity which we are going to do here. So here, ChatGPT is here. Okay, on my laptop. And as you know that here we click on the white icon, and when we click here, so we can communicate with ChatGPT. Okay, so let's see what I communicate. Hello, ChatGPT. Good morning.
Good morning. I hope you're doing well today. How can I help you out?
So, ChatGPT, as you know that these days I'm learning American accent. So, what are the things like can help me to learn this accent? Please tell me in nutshell.
Absolutely. I can definitely help with that. So, one of the best ways is to focus on listening to native speakers, like watching videos, movies, or podcasts, and then we can practice together. You can say something, and I'll give you feedback on pronunciation, intonation, and any tweaks you can make. Sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good. So the first thing which you said that we have to like I have to watch American content, videos, movies, web series. So I think I'm on the right track. I already do that, and with that I do shadowing also. So that's good thing.
Yeah, that's perfect. And as you do that, if you ever come across phrases or words you're unsure about, just let me know, and we can break them down. And we can also do some speaking practice side by side, so you get used to the rhythm and the flow. Just keep me posted on what you need.
Actually, words and reductions, intonation, which these are the things like I'm already practicing. I'm here today to just practice speaking in American accent. So, you also please communicate with me in American accent. Can you just change your voice in American accent?
Of course. So I'll switch over to a more natural American accent now. And as we go, just keep speaking and I'll give you any feedback if needed. You're doing great, so we'll just keep it going.
Yeah, let's just keep going this. So, the first thing is just let me just describe anything here, like whatever the things I'm speaking. You please correct my reduction, and if some of the words I am pronouncing in simple English, not in American accent, so please give me feedback there. So the first thing I want to describe here, that's like okay, right now I am recording a video, and in that video I am exactly like the live recording is here, and I will be uploading this on my YouTube channel about like how I do practice my American accent with ChatGPT. So yeah, so this is the paragraph like I have spoken now. So now you tell me about this, like what are the improvement I need.
Yeah, that was really good. I could understand everything clearly, but a couple of small tweaks would help. For example, exactly like the live recording sounded a bit flat. You could say it's just like a live recording to add a more natural flow. Also, in about how I do practice, it might sound smoother if you say about how I practice. So just those small adjustments and you'll be golden.
Okay, so instead of saying about how I do practice, instead of that, I can say about how I practice. I have practiced some of the American pronunciation words. So, could you give me feedback that am I pronouncing them right or wrong? Okay. So, the first word is water, 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 water. Okay. And then vitamin, leisure, zebra, tomato, pasta, garage, schedule, February, privacy, neither. These are the words like I have practiced. So could you tell me like am I pronouncing them right?
Yeah, absolutely. So overall, you did really well. Couple of small tweaks. For water, it sounded great, but just keep the T a bit softer, like water. For vitamin, it's perfect with the short I sound, so that's good. Leisure is also right. Make sure that ZH sound is nice and smooth. For herb, just keep the H sound in, which you did. Tomato was spot on, and the others were pretty good as well. Just keep practicing, and you'll get even more comfortable with them.
Okay, so you are saying that all the words are almost correct pronounced, only that water. Okay, it's water, so we have to say water, water, water. I think this is a pronunciation. Actually, I was handling something else that time, so I could not pronounce it right. But now I think I'm pronouncing it right. Water, water.
Exactly. Yes, that's perfect now. You've got it. So just keep that soft T sound, and everything else sounded really good. You're definitely on the right track, so super well done.
Thank you so much, chatgpt. So next, I will come back to you very soon for practicing and all. But now, for now, I told you that I'm recording live, so my video is getting long. So now I have to wind up this. So bye bye, guys. That's it about our day 3 of learning American accent practice. And you know what? In between that, in between all this recording and all, I had to stop 2 to 3 times because of my mobile storage. Literally, I need to buy new phone immediately, as soon as it is possible. Okay, because every time I run out from this space and all in my phone, you know what I do? First, I delete the last video, the previous video, and then I record. Okay, so whatever the video I recorded and uploaded already on YouTube, so first, I record it, I edit it, and then I upload it, and then I delete it. If I do that, only after that I will be able to record my another video. That is the struggle. Yeah. So, but I hope this hard work will pay me off, and one day I will buy an iPhone. Yeah, please God manifest this thing. Bye bye, guys. So this is the way I practice. I hope you enjoyed it and you are learning and growing, and I promise now onwards I will be doing this regularly, just because some technical problems. The first problem was this, my phone storage and all, I was not able to record, and the second thing, like, this mic stopped working, so I just could not do that recording and uploading. Yeah, that was the reason. But thank you so much for staying patient with this. We'll meet next tomorrow. Bye bye.